What up, guys? Today, all the beta testers of Starlink received an email from Starlink detailing some updates and things that they are working on to improve. So in this video, we are going to dive right into the details of this email. If you guys are new here, I am Hamlik and I put out daily gaming content, so subscribe and turn those alerts on so you don't miss out on any of the action. Let's not waste any more time. Without further ado, let's get it. Oh wait, you guys can't see this. Let me get this up for you. That's better. Now you guys can follow along. If you are reading this email, you are among the first people in the world to use our Starlink service. Thank you for not only being an early customer, but also for your support and feedback. Your experiences are making a meaningful impact on Starlink development. The Starlink team has continued to introduce upgrades and improvements since we first rolled out our Better Than Nothing beta service just 2 months ago. Most notably, the Starlink team has begun repositioning more than 500 satellites in an effort to improve coverage and decrease outages. These maneuvers may introduce short outages in the near term, but the final result is expected to substantially improve user experience in Q1 of 2021. So what this tells me, guys, is that they are actively working on coming up with a better pathing for their satellites to reduce the amount of times that shortages happen or that they exist. You know, I really think it shows them as a company that they're really trying to improve their process, because I can't imagine that repositioning satellites is a very easy task, and the fact that they are actively doing this to improve their already great service is just a testament to who they are as a company, and I look forward to less outages. In addition to the repositioning effort, the team has also made the following upgrades. Improved in NAT types. Upgraded the Starlink Wi-Fi router to improve network addresses translation, the NAT types, for online gaming. Users will see notable improvements to the quality of peer-to-peer gaming as we continue to grow the network in the upcoming months. That is awesome. I personally haven't experienced any of the issues like that because I don't play like Call of Duty and stuff like that, and I also don't console game. So hearing that, though, means that there have been people that have had that issues and they've given their feedback and that they're actively fixing it, and that's just good news all the way around. You can't complain about that at all. Xbox Live. Result a bug in the Starlink Wi-Fi router software that was causing packet loss during the Xbox Live gaming and connection diagnostic tests. Okay, so again, I'm not a console gamer, so I don't know the issues that the console people are having, but it seems like they're aware of Xbox Live issue and they're actively trying to fix it. Improved user latency. So I'm only getting like 20-30 ping. I guess maybe 36 at most, right? So this isn't really that big of, like, it's already great. So let's just read what they have here. Improved user latency. Improved latency for users who are on the boundary between different cell service regions. Overall latency will continue to improve as we deploy more satellites, install more gateways, and upgrade our software. Okay, so they're pretty much telling us what we already knew, that they're constantly working to upgrade the system, and that we should be seeing lower latency in Q1 of 2020. I mean of 2021, which is that's fantastic. That's very quick progress. We also have the snow melt mode. Deployed basic snow melt mode, during which Starlink produces additional heat to mitigate signal attenuation caused by snow buildup on the face of the user terminal. That is awesome. So pretty much they're taking the technology they already have and they're making it so that the satellite dish actually heats up to melt the snow if it's sitting on top of the dish. That is an amazing feature for people that live in the climates where snow is frequent, especially in wintertime. You know, where I'm at in the Pacific Northwest, you know, we don't really get that much snow. You know, it's like snow is like once every 3 years. So once every 3 years, I'll get to test this upgrade to their system here. The new year will also bring an expansion of the Better Than Nothing beta program. The Starlink team is planning to broader rollout as early as early as Q1 2021, with continuous upgrades along the way. So that is fantastic. That means more of you guys are going to have access to Starlink, which is just fantastic. I am so excited for all you guys, man. That's awesome. Thank you again for being an early supporter of Starlink. From everyone to the Starlink team, we wish you a happy holiday season and an amazing 2021. The Starlink team. Man, that is fantastic. This is all great news. We could dissect this more, but it's all pretty straightforward. You got the snow melt mode, which is just a better use of the technology that they already have with their satellite dishes. They're actively trying to reposition their satellites themselves for better, more continuous coverage for everybody. It's just the constant list of improvements. They're trying to lower latency constantly, which is fantastic. They improve the quality of life. They're improving the quality of life for Xbox Live users and console users through their NAT type improvements. This is just all around good news, and it's very promising to get an email like this. Thank you guys for watching. If you like this video, hit that thumbs up button. Please subscribe and turn those alerts on so you guys don't miss out on any of the action. If you'd like to know more about Starlink, here's some videos down below here that you could dive into. Until next time.